Hello, Nadia. Welcome. I'm going to ask you 100 English questions. I just want you to answer the questions with one sentence. Some questions might be awkward and some might be a little direct or rude. Remember, it's just for fun. Here we go. How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Nadia.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from South Africa.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a town called Pretoria.
Where do you live?
I live in Cheongju, South Korea.
Are you married?
I'm not married.
What do you do?
I am an English teacher.
Are you a foodie?
I'm a huge foodie, yes.
Are you a lazy person?
Sometimes I can be.
Do you have any siblings?
I have one sister and two younger brothers.
Are you friendly?
I'm very friendly.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies include eating food and spending time with my family and friends.
Do you like to listen to music?
I love to listen to music.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
Twice, but I almost fell off.
Are you a BTS fan?
I'm not a die-hard BTS fan, but they are okay.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Do you like to wear makeup?
Yes, I like to wear makeup.
When was the last time you cried?
The last time I cried was maybe 3 months ago.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I have not eaten breakfast.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 7 a.m.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you have many regrets?
I wouldn't say so, no.
What sports can you play?
I can play soccer, field hockey, swimming, tennis, badminton. Yeah, that's about it.
Do you feel uncomfortable now?
I don't.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
How often do you drink alcohol?
I drink alcohol once a week.
Describe your clothing style in one word.
Unpredictable.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
What was your major in university?
I study teaching early childhood education.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Can you cook?
Yes, I'm a very good cook.
What are you doing now?
Now I am having a conversation with you.
What are you going to do tonight?
I will be meeting up with some friends.
What did you do last night?
Last night I watched Harry Potter.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will meet up with friends again.
Could you lend me $100?
No, I don't even have $100 for myself.
Could you lend me $20?
Can you lend me $20?
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic.
Are you tired?
No, not really.
Are you hungry?
I'm always hungry.
Are you a clean or messy person?
I think it depends on the day, mostly messy.
Do you have a temper?
I don't have a temper, no.
Is it okay for men to cry?
Yes, definitely okay.
What's your nickname?
Nods.
Have you ever been to India?
I've never been to India, no.
How long does it take for you to get to work?
About 25 minutes.
How do you get to work?
Most days I walk, but if it is raining, I will take the bus.
Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Are you often sick?
No.
Do you collect anything?
Food.
How many hearts have you broken?
Not many, but my heart has been broken a few times.
Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
Somewhere in between, I would say.
What was your first job?
My first job was a teaching assistant.
Who knows you best?
My mother.
Are you a nerd?
I'm not a nerd, but I can be dorky.
Do you think I'm a nerd?
100%, yes.
Are you rich?
No.
Do you like to use social media?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you have a lot of drama in your life?
No, I like to live a drama-free life.
Are you an optimist or a pessimist?
Definitely an optimist.
Are you afraid of needles?
Yes, very afraid.
Do you get jealous easily?
Yes, unfortunately I do.
Are you a romantic person?
I'm a huge romantic person.
What gets you really angry?
Crime. Crime gets me really angry.
Do you play computer games?
I don't.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
Definitely dogs.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, a lot of friends.
In the summer, would you rather go to the beach or go camping?
Go to the beach.
Do you have any phobias?
Spiders.
Are women better than men?
Yes, 100%. Women are better than men.
How often do you drink coffee?
About 3 times a day.
Who do you admire the most?
My mother.
Are you a vegan?
No.
Do you sing well?
I'm a terrible singer.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
When was the last time you threw up?
The last time I threw up, also maybe 3 months ago.
What part of your body are you the most insecure about?
Maybe my nose, because I fell off a bridge when I was younger.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Neither. I'm just a day person.
If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be?
I think it would be the US.
What is your proudest accomplishment?
Moving to Korea.
What makes a happy marriage?
Honesty and communication.
Do you get bored easily?
Yes, I do.
What annoys you the most?
People talking loudly.
Can you keep a secret?
Yes, I can.
Are you a workaholic?
Definitely not.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
No, I don't.
What subjects were you good at in high school?
I was good at drama.
Do you like to get compliments from strangers?
No, I do not.
Are you smarter than me?
Yes.
Is it okay to tell white lies?
No, it's not okay to tell white lies.
Do you have a tattoo?
I don't have a tattoo.
Have you ever been arrested?
No, I have not.
How many hours of sleep do you need per night?
I need 7 hours of sleep.
Are you addicted to anything?
I'm not addicted to anything.
How often do you eat fast food?
About once a week.
How often do you brush your teeth?
Twice a day.
Do you snore?
No, I hope not.
Are you awesome?
I'm the most awesome.
What's the best way to study English?
Practice, practice, practice.
Okay, that's 100 questions. Were there any questions that you thought were very strange or awkward?
Yeah, my insecurity, that was a little bit strange, and $100.
Yeah. Okay, those were just for fun.
No problem.
Okay, thank you for sharing your answers.
Goodbye.